Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you inside the powerful world of industrial manufacturing where raw metal turns into massive machine parts. This is the step-by-step process of how heavy machine parts are made, with precision, power, and perfection. Let's get started. Everything begins with choosing the right raw material. For heavy machine parts, manufacturers use high-grade steel, iron, or customized metal alloys. These materials arrive at the factory in the form of giant blocks or billets, the building blocks of machinery. Next comes cutting and shaping. Heavy-duty machines like CNC plasma cutters, oxy-fuel torches, and laser cutting systems are used to cut the metal into the required size. Once cut, the material is pressed or rolled to prepare it for machining. Now comes the real transformation: precision machining. Using CNC lathes, milling machines, and grinders, the parts are shaped into exact dimensions. Every curve, hole, and groove is made with micron-level accuracy to ensure high performance under extreme loads. After shaping, the parts are heat-treated. This involves heating them to very high temperatures and then cooling them quickly. The process improves hardness, strength, and durability, making them ready for industrial pressure and stress. Once hardened, the parts go through surface finishing. They're polished, coated, and often sandblasted. This not only makes them corrosion-resistant but also gives them a professional, smooth appearance. Every single part is tested before it leaves the factory. Using ultrasonic tests, X-ray scans, and detailed measurements, engineers check for flaws or weakness. Only the parts that pass 100% quality inspection are approved for use. Finally, the parts are either assembled into machines or packed for delivery. They are loaded onto heavy trucks and shipped to industries around the world ready to power engines, build machines, and move the future. And that's how massive, heavy-duty machine parts are made, from raw steel to reliable power. If you found this process interesting, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Comment below and tell us what you'd like to see next.